The purpose of this video is to share information and thoughts, and not come to premature conclusions. As of now, I can say that I treat this as a UAP case, as I have no other explanation. Allow me to share the train of thought. On November 30th, 2024, an odd phenomenon was visible on various webcams about 850 kilometers physically apart. Allow me to share some investigations, as I had presumed initially, this would lead to some insight into military activities. We have a situation where we have multiple sources of information, so generally this is not a single source, single evidence case. I henceforth treat the image information as something that is actual sensor data and not manipulated. Let us look at the first image. This is taken on the northern German island of Amrum, approximately 54 degrees 39 minutes north, 8 degrees 20 minutes east. The camera is pointed towards west-southwest, showing the coast of Amrum towards the North Sea. We can derive that the exposure of the camera must have been around 15 to 20 seconds, as the effect of egging of stars is something that appears around at this time, as function of a fixed camera toward the sky while Earth itself is rotating. This is also coherent with the movement of the airplane, visible as distinctive streak on the image. This is the second image. This is taken on a mountain in Saalbach, Hinterglemm, Austria, approximately 47 degrees, 23 minutes north, 12 degrees, 38 minutes east. The camera is pointed towards north, showing the Alps towards Austria and Germany. We can derive that the exposure of the camera must have been around 8 to 10 seconds, as the effect of egging of stars is not visible. This is also coherent with the much shorter movement of another airplane, visible as faint, short streak on the image. We can also see the lack of distinctive trajectory on the image. Let us look at the first image again. We can derive some things from it. There is a trajectory that is not in a straight line, that the object was west of Amrum, either over the North Sea or UK. This leaves us with the amazing footage by Scanner Guy 1968, who happened to have attempted to make a time-lapse of Venus. I have just taken some highlights from his video. Make sure to watch the full video, linked in the description. We can see in his footage that my initial theory when I first saw the webcam pictures, that we are looking at a re-entry event, does not hold true. This is an object moving out of the atmosphere and not entering the atmosphere. The other interesting aspect that we can see is that it is a pink glow, but no other emissions and none are residual. This is very different from a traditional rocket, which has a very distinct expansive cloud of exhaust gases, as seen in this Falcon 9 image. So what do we have here? I do not know. I just treat the multiple sources of corroborating image and video sources as genuine, non-manipulated footage. What we see, I do not know, but I appreciate your ideas and comments. As always, like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you and good night.